This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very simple layout, nothing hard for you to not understand. As you can see down here, this is pretty much where you go to select your servers. Not much servers. I recommend using the United States servers because these pretty much looks like the fastest server. So once the bar is pretty much green, that pretty much represent the fast servers. So once you pretty much select the server, it will ask for connection request. Stop on OK. VPN will start connecting in no time. As you can see here, it's pretty much connected and you don't need to add any time or anything like that. I've reviewed a bunch of these VPNs and this is by far one of the best simple VPN application you can get on the Play Store. Here, as you can see, it just connects and you don't have to add any time or anything like that. You just connect and you start using the VPN connection. So just let me know in the comment section what's your thoughts on this VPN connection. If you have any problems at all, let me know in the comment section as well. I will see if it can help you. See you in the next one, guys.